Hi, it's Suzanna, and today's video is about patience. Now, before you click away and think that patience is really just a very boring thing, I want to invite you to look at that a different way. In this video, I want to talk about 3 things relating to patience, and this is particularly helpful when we're feeling like we are working really hard and doing the right things and not getting the outcome, not getting the manifestations that we want or reaching the goals that we want. And so the first thing I want to talk about is patience and how that relates to presence. Then I want to talk about patience and how that relates to manifestation. And then lastly, I want to talk about the dark side of patience just quickly before I wrap up. So patience and presence. I've been starting to really explore energy and what it means. And I think that if I say this to you, you'll understand that when I'm in presence, when I'm here in this moment and feeling in my body and feeling in this moment, my energy is very much here. But when I'm thinking about the future, thinking about what's to come, I can literally throw my energy forward into the future. And that is not potent. It doesn't necessarily feel very good. It doesn't feel very grounded. But when I bring my energy back and feel myself in this moment, there's a spaciousness. But in order to do that, I have to use patience. I have to be willing to be in this moment, whatever that looks like. So presence and patience are very interconnected because in order for me to be present, I have to use patience sometimes. The next thing is patience and manifestation. And I got really clear on this because somebody was saying, I need to cut this crap right away, right out, so that I can, reach my money goals. And it's like, another way of looking at that is it's actually a kind of a fight. Yeah, if you're doing the right actions to meet your goals and they're not happening yet, that's okay. Keep going. It doesn't mean there's some failure. It's a projection of our judgment and our assessment of when things are supposed to happen. And that starts to create a conflict, tension, a fight with the universe because we're doing our work and the universe will deliver. But until it has, for us to say, where is it? It needs to be here now, then it creates a tension. It doesn't allow for flow. And it can actually kind of create a lot of static and discord and kind of ruin the energy that's being directed towards that manifestation. With patience, there's also a dark side. With patience, the dark side can be, I'm so patient. I'm in no rush. And we can move to a place of not taking action. Or we can be in a rush and there's a kind of an impatience where we're actually trying to control. So what we're looking for is a sweet spot in the middle where we're willing to take the action and we're willing to let go of that kind of control. We're basically telling the universe, we are co-creators. I'm going to do my part, and I'm going to trust that you're going to do your part. And that is really powerful. So I want to invite you to look at that. Look at how powerful presence is and how patience relates to that. Look at how powerful it is to be patient in your manifestation. Have the desire, have the belief, and let go of when it's going to happen. But know that it will. And also be aware of where you are in that scale. Am I so patient that I'm not taking action? Or am I trying to force? Or am I coming to that sweet spot? I look forward to exploring the theme of patience in a very grounded, present, spacious way. and exploring how that can be a challenge at times. So until next time, many joyfully expansive blessings.